given sample. Identification of presence of glucose in the given samples. A. To identify the presence of glucose in the given sample. Principle. Aldehyde group of glucose reduces copper sulfate of Benedict's reagent into cuprous oxide on boiling, forms a red, yellow or green colored precipitate depending on the concentration of the sugar. Requirements or apparatus: test tube, spirit lamp, sample solutions, Benedict reagents, dropper, etc. Procedure.
1 minute, wait.
Spirit lamp. Test tubes and 4 beakers. Procedure. Take a series of 4 test tubes and label them as A, B, C and D. Take small quantity of solution from the given A, B, C and D samples.
ఫస్ట్ నేను చేసే చెప్పు.
From beaker A, take sample A and pour it in test tube A. Take sample B and drop it in test tube B. Take sample C and drop it in test tube C. And take sample D, drop it in test tube D. We have taken sample A in test tube A, sample B in test tube B, sample C in test tube C and sample D in test tube D. Now after taking samples in the test tube, add 5 ml of Benedict's reagent in each test tube and mix them well. With the help of the dropper, add Benedict's reagent into the test tubes. Up to 5 ml or 5 drops. Reagent in test tube B. Adding reagent in test tube C. And in test tube D. Now mix all the test tubes and the reagents well and let them sit. Now take a spirit lamp and turn it on using matchstick. With the help of a test tube holder, take test tube A and boil the mixture. In the presence of heat, boil the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes or till the mixture turns into a color. After heating all the test tubes and samples, test tube A shows greenish bluish green color and test tube B, test tube C and test tube D doesn't indicate any color. So the sample does not contain any glucose in sample B, sample C and sample D. Presence of glucose is identified in sample A and the presence of glucose can be detected by color percentages. If the solution remains clear bluish green, it indicates there is no glucose in the sample. If the solution turns greenish yellow in color, it indicates the presence of 0.2% of glucose in the sample. If the solution turns green color, it indicates the presence of 0.5% glucose in the sample. If the solution changes to yellowish orange color, it indicates the presence of 1% of glucose in the sample. If the solution turns to brick red, it indicates the presence of 2% or more percentile of glucose. From our experiment, we have detected greenish yellow color in the sample A. So